Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we'll discuss why your washer keeps shaking violently and provide quick solutions to the problem. A washer that shakes violently is a common problem among many users. It occurs depending on its use, like the loads you put in your washer and the installation process. A shaking washer could eventually lead to it getting damaged. The following are some of the common reasons that your washer is shaking violently. Overloaded load or an uneven load. An overloaded load could stress the washer as it cannot turn properly, making it shake. Likewise, an uneven load, for instance, when you have only one oversized item, can be thrown towards the drum at high speed during spinning, causing the washer to shake violently. Transit bolt in the washer. Transit bolts are usually used in the drums to keep it steady while transporting the washer. Ideally, they are to be removed after installation and before use. However, if they're still in the washer during the spin, it can result in the washer shaking violently and even damage the washer. Unleveled washer. An unleveled washer could cause it to shake violently when in use because it's unstable. An unleveled washer results from uneven floors in your house, or the washer was not appropriately leveled during installation. If you can manually rock the washer, or if when using a leveler, you can see it is uneven, then that is the cause of the shaking. Damaged or broken washer. If you suspect that your shock absorbers or pads are faulty, or that your drum or washer baskets are worn out, it can cause your washer to shake violently. Now, let us look at the best quick solutions that you can apply to stop your washer from shaking violently. Even out the load. To even out the load, Number 1. Balance the weight by adding more items in the washer, if you want to put only one large item. You could also reduce the amount of clothes that you put in the washer if it was previously overloaded and caused the washer to shake. 3. Turn the dryer back on to dry your load. Remove transit bolts from the washer. The transit bolts are large bolts found outside the drums in the back. To remove transit bolts, 1. Open the dryer. The transit bolts will be at the back of the drums on the outside. 3. Use a wrench to take them out. 4. Keep the transit bolts safe, as you may reuse them when transporting the washer. Level out your washer. To fix an uneven washer, Number 1. Use a leveler to level the washer. Number 2. Place the leveler on top of the dryer. Use it also to check the width, front, and back. Number 3. Adjust the dryer until it is all level. Number 4. You can also modify the level by lowering or raising the legs of the washer using a wrench until it's even. Contact a professional. Problems related to your shock absorbers, drum, or washer basket require the experience of a professional. Contact a professional who can look at your washer and fix it. Thanks for watching.